One more honoree
is my king.
My sweater, aka Queen Quet. I know Queen Quet a long time.
I can talk to him because he understands everything I go through.
I've known Queen Quet a very long time. Not only she's my friend, she's also my cousin. Someone that I love dearly. And we are so happy to have her do the things that she has done in the Low Country. So we thank God for her. Let's give Queen Quet a hand.
All right.
To know that I'm here for you, I'm forever true, 'cause you're my black brother. I love you. I'll never try to hurt you. I want you to know that I'm here for you, I'm forever true. Gullah Geechee family, how y'all be out here? Okay. Y'all brothers ain't know. A couple brothers, can y'all pick the flag for me? There we go. Y'all ain't know something about me. See? Now, y'all ain't gonna hardly find me hanging with no woman and thing. Y'all normally find me to hang with the brothers. So when I hear they say the Brotherhood exists, I said, where they been at? Oh, I ain't even know what that. They could have let me sneak up in there. I ain't even tell the girl, tell them. And they say, okay, Battery Creek and Beaufort High Brotherhood. I say I ain't gonna diss them like that because I the queen of the whole Gullah Geechee nation, so I gotta have to represent for all the high school now. But you know, the high school that you know we got a whole lot of love for had wings, but you know, I had to do them like that because I represent all of we. And so I say anytime the rival school getting together, that's a blessing. Then they say the man from the rival school been to get together. That's a double blessing right there. And then when they say it been the athletes, I say them the winners right there. That's a triple blessing. I say, okay, I in the winner's circle. So right after I tell my beloved cousin, I say, yeah, I could do it. Everybody, every cat, every bird, every smoke signal they could have sent, they say they want Queen Quet somewhere else today. They been want me in Georgia today. They been want me in Myrtle Beach today. They been want me in Atlantic Beach today. I say, I can't do it. I say, I being honored by my own homeboys. I say, so y'all can keep the money, because the honor of my own family greater than the money. Y'all don't know how much y'all blessed me today. So I say, I could be right there in the dirt with the rest of them, like we come up together in the dirt, playing in this your dirt for truth. And I know we athletes know about playing in the dirt, playing in the sun, playing out here in the weather. But y'all know one thing about me, when I go to the other rest of the world and things like that, I don't be playing tall talk. Because that's serious time for them to know who we be. That we Gullah Geechee anointed people. That a blessing that we still there from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. And Ireland I there from, St. Helena, Ireland. That the epicenter of Gullah Geechee culture. So, 100 children, my brothers and things like that, we're glad to see y'all there all over the world. And all over these states. I done been to all 50 of them. I ain't got but 2 continents left, but I tell them children the other day, I know if I can make them to one because it'll melt too fast. And I got one more I get until next year. God spared my life. I would have gone this year, but I had things to do for save St. Helena. So brothers, if you don't do nothing else for me, make sure you support what we to do. The whole upon we land, and we culture, and we community. Because this what the children coming behind we need for know. To stand together in unity, ain't nobody can come between. And if you hold them and stand with your chest, they might run up on you, but they going back limping. Alright? So that's the thing. I'm so glad for there. Y'all ain't know how blessed this is for me, for being Port Royal, right near the Emancipation Oak. This your day of freedom. This a weekend we to celebrate freedom, but some of we ain't no freedom in your mind. We got a doctor brothers say, "Hunna think free, hunna be free." And some of we in the think tall, we to use we head for hat rack. So please stop just throw a thing on top of them and throw something and eat them. They're positive, they're uplifting, they're telling you about your culture and your community. And then you can stand with pride. Because we hood, should be about sisterhood and about brotherhood. So for all the 100 children would have come here, let me make it clear to you that anytime some brothers tell me we rolling together and they positive, I'm ready to roll with them. Even when I lived in New York, they used to know me by my hair and my culture. They would say, that's that Gullah sister. And anytime you see her, she with a bunch of fine brothers, and today ain't no different. So, my brothers, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I pray for y'all. I pray you pray with and for me and for our land and for our community. So I appreciate the brotherhood. Let me know more of the work you're doing, and if I can support, I will. It's a blessing. So keep up the work you're doing, and thank you to family, because when you get honored at home, you know you must have to do something right, ain't it? Okay then. Okay, because we'll throw you out here real fast. So thank you for holding upon me, and for we holding upon we culture together. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. God bless y'all.
On behalf of the Brotherhood.
You in front of you, or you look at him. He'll get him whole game. Come on.
Yeah, nice. Stay there.
Gullah Geechee.